What go on, Unstoppable family? So people, first I want to start off this video by saying condolences to the family or families involved in the most recent tragic incident in Jamaica. Now social media users today are upset that this young lady lost her life as a result of a stupid idiot who is a licensed firearm holder. Now when the incident initially happened, rumors started to circulate that this man who actually took the young lady's life shot himself as well and committed suicide. But there were no confirmation from the police. Now, in recent reports, it is alleged that the man turned himself in to the Jamaican authorities.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. So, people, growing up in a Jamaica, me hear it, I'm sure say you hear this too. Yo, man, I'm not informer. Yo, you're informer. Are the things that we hear growing up. You hear that before, though. Me know you hear it before. But wait now. When you see something happen, yo, you know fi call no police, yo, you know fi call 911, you know fi call 119, yo, you know fi call no Crime Stop, none of them things the RLC are informer. We hear it all. But no, Superintendent of Police, Triville, Arton, have a little thing where I say, and the way in the matter, the way in which the man deliver a message here, you're gonna like it. People, sit back, relax, and listen to the superintendent as he must spread that message to the people in a way where we can all relate. But if this is the very first time to the channel and you don't hit that subscribe button yet, please do me a favor now, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get the alert. Listen to the superintendent.
Yeah, man, go on.
It continue?
Yes.
Yeah. So with us right there, me and a DJ about a thing where everybody afraid of. As far as me know, long as we remember, if you're born and you grew up in Jamaica, you don't want nobody call you an informer, but you see me very proud informer. When I do it for myself, but for Jamaica, informer, we have to make the sacrifice to make the place safer. Triville is a proud informer. We have a number for the sergeant, inspector. Me must be an informer. If we can't get this work, we call commissioner. We are informer because we not support the crime. If you do the crime, do the time, pay the fine. Crime is mashing up this country and we acting like a blind. Should have put a stop into this thing long time. So if we see a boy with a special R9, bust up on my phone, dial 119. Now give the operator all information in face, color, clothes, in full complexion and put the icing on the cake in GPS location. Just stay on the phone till the police they reach. The civic duty, this year, that. Me I pray some talking to the parents and the kids and the teach. Trap on the criminals, them coming like leech. You know how long we want to go night beach, but we can't touch the road because too much gunshot a week. Every night in my house through the grill, me have to keep you out. We just vex, you know.
Deputy Superintendent of Police, Mr. Tribal Arton. Thank you very much, sir, for this very informal interview.
Love Portland, love the people. And we're going to be out there on the streets tonight, ensuring that you're safe into the new year. And we're looking forward to a much better, much more peaceful, much more interactive year. JCM, Force for Good, Portland. Police officers saying, big up.
Alright, so you hear what the soup say, right? The soup make a whole heap of sense. Yo, no need for cut out this, yo man, a informer thing, yo, ya informer thing. Cut it out. You see, if you see something go on where you know enough you go on, yo, do your civic duty and contact the proper authorities. You see, me don't care who wants to say you're an informer. At the end of the day, you might save a life. So talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know if you agree with what the super say. Or even what me say, or if you disagree, let me know. Here's what I say. But moving right along. Now people, so Elephant Man, as you know, Elephant Man are Richie feelings and the whole of them depend the healthy journey from the other days. See? And I tell you, the Elephant Man and Richie have a trainer where now go easy upon them. You see? So yo, Elephant Man drop a video where yo, make me have to just smiling at myself when me watch it. Elephant say, yo, them a try if you set me up, I set me. You know what? Watch that video here, and me guarantee you would have go smile when you watch it too.
6, 7, 8, 9, step down. 10, step down. Copy, you can multitask. But you multitask, you can multitask to drink, don't it? Ready, let's go. Step up. Step up. Come. May I go fight today now?
What I know? We have to do it with timing like on your DJ. Look. Pat. Alright, look now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Duck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Duck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step down. Simple. That's how me have to work it. Show me that timing first. Ready? Just work with me. You want 1, 2, 3, 4. Duck. Jump up. Me not Spider-Man. Come here.
Yes.
Let me go. Let me give you a little time. I'm not
Can you
prison.
just name that Spider-Man?
Yeah, me have done a prison this.
Boom. Boom. Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. Listen, me lick it down. Me lick it down. Me lick it down. Me lick it down. Yeah, man.
So if you do more of the boom boom, we can't do.
No, we have to do more of the boom
Can't
boom.
change.
Remember the Rosemary, where you tell me say a Red Bull, then you
people
tell
are
me say
watching
a
in a man.
cranberry juice, then you tell me, you make me have to make my 16-year-old teach me off a screenshot
It
of
wasn't.
WhatsApp.
It wasn't no liquor. It was cranberry.
You lie in the
That's
backside.
enough.
You lie in the backside. Me don't know how you lie so. You come like them man that where you go. No baby. Are you alone not have baby? Me not have a next one baby. Baby, you don't believe the baby? Baby, yeah man. Are you that?
Yo, but them have set me up.
They must set you up. Are you get catches? This is not Cecile this time. This is not Scatter this time. You post where you not to need me post.
Why
and
should I
get
believe
catch.
me?
Believe? Can you lie?
Right now, people no tell her. Cranberry.
Mm-hmm.
Cranberry cat.
Mm-hmm. Cranberry and the rosemary buckle. Mm-hmm. What's why you got puke in here today? Drop the gate, come back. 6, 7, 8, bring it down. 9, that's it. 10, 5 more. 5 more, Ellie, 5 more.
Give me a gate. Hold on.
You have it, man. You're good. You have it. Ready? Remember, you get strong. I am a strong man. Ready? Go. 1, that's it. 2, slow it down. Go. 3, good job. 4, last one, last one. 5, good job, good job, good job, good job.
Whoa.
Good job. 5, that's it. Good. We have 7 more. Ready? Down. 1, that's it. Down. 2, that's it. Down. 3, good job. No, good. We have 4 more. We have 4 more. Anyway, What's 4 more? You have this one. You have 4 more. Come on, you have 4 more. No. You have it. Press in and let's go. Ready? 4 more. You have it. I need to push up. You have no point. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Down. That's 5. Down. That's 6. Good. Down. That's 7. Last one. Last one. Good. Down. 8. Good job. Good job. High five. High five. Don't leave hanging. Good job. Good job. Good job.
So which one of look at lie? I said that video that I'm gonna laugh a while ago. Yo, me not lie. If you like how Ellie and him trainer deal with the thing, talk to me down in the comment section, let me know. And are you on a fitness and healthy lifestyle kind of journey for 2020? Let me know. More want to hear for you down in the comment section. See it? Now, Miss Kitty, you don't know her, the most eloquent speaking lady in Jamaica. Yes, what I say. Yo, she make a speech on a stage recently. And my officer me like what Miss Kitty say. Yes, what I say. I'm going to make you hear it. Take a listen right now.
2020 and beyond, I want to encourage the ladies of Jamaica to stop depend on man for the answer and stop talk about man. Find yourself, get a trade, get a job, help yourself so you can help your children. The boy that when I want to look no work, any man when I want to look work, you go and get some work. The lazy man that only need to come out here. The man that want to lie down off in a bed and I want to get up go look work. The blood of Jesus is against you. No. Go look at work. You have some of them get up every day one man go on me general. No one on a general and a Jennifer. Only need to look at work. The people them want beg people every day and touch my yite up and be a problem to people. Get up, go look at work. God bless you with health and strength. Get up and go do something. If I even $1 I make it better than 0. Someone want for the 2020. You know the love and respect we I deal with. I want to deal with some ambition. You have some people sit down and eat on people every day. Oh, I don't like that girl. Oh, I don't like that boy. Oh, I don't like she. I don't like she. I don't like she. When you're looking at the mirror, you don't feel like yourself. You don't have ambition. You don't have drive. You don't have progress. When you look back for the past 10 years, I'm more want to go home and analyze on the life. For the past 10 years, what you achieve, what you do with yourself, what you accomplish, what you do. And for the past 10 years, when you look back and you like how the thing look, you have to start switch it up and change it up. Because if you do the same thing, you're going to get the same result. And then when you see people that drive them nice car, and live in them nice house, and wear them nice clothes, you're going to ignorant for them. And you now remember, say you sit down and waste your time. Because remember, you know, the whole of you get the same 24 hour. And what you choose to do with your own. Someone want to encourage you tonight to believe in yourself. Get up and go look it. Because God help those who help themselves. Nothing on dropping in your lap like manna from ever. You can't get up every day and walk, boy, I want to rich. Boy, I want rich. Boy, I want rich. What you do for you rich? You not start nothing, you never trade it up, nothing at all. Stop the begging, stop the touching, and stop depending on people. Someone will call you a family member of foreign, oh God have grace and bother them day in, day out. The people them have trees, them have foreign in a snow, in a sun, everything. I don't want to sit down there like tourists and so it work.
I want to say ladies, you not agree with what Miss Kitty said? And some of them boys were like lay down in a bed and now want to get up and go work. Them forget burn out too. You see me I say? Me like every word when Miss Kitty utter out her mouth a while ago. If you agree with the things when Miss Kitty say, jump down below in the comment section and talk to me, make me know. You see it? And if you're an independent lady and you know say you don't depend on the boy, make me know too. More of you hear from you in the comments. See? Watch out man, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And as I said before, if this is your very first time to the channel and you know hit that subscribe button yet, what you wait for? Hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. And if you're not subscribed to Unstoppable Live yet, you miss out on a whole heap of things. You need to go subscribe to Unstoppable Live. See? The link I got down in the description. Go over there and go subscribe. Watch out, man. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.